Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off Google Assistant on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all, we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to Google. Then over here you want to switch to all services, go to search assistant and voice, choose Google Assistant, and then over here you need to scroll down to find the general. And here you have Google Assistant. You can tap on the slider in order to turn on or off the Google Assistant completely. Now, if you wish to use Google Assistant, but it is not on your device, then what you need to do is, for instance, go to the Play Store and then you want to search for Google Assistant and you want to install it on your device. And once you open it for the first time, in this case, at least in my case of Xiaomi 14T Pro, I had to change from Gemini to Google Assistant because I had Gemini pre-installed on my device, but not Google Assistant. So I can open Google Assistant. Over here you will need to switch to Google Assistant like so. Sorry for the Polish text, unfortunately it's not in English for some reason, but as you can see I can now use Google Assistant instead of trying to use Gemini. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!